Introduction to Kurukulla by Stefan Mang. Kurukulla is a central female deity in Vajrayana Buddhism, particularly associated with the lotus family of the Buddha Amitabha. She embodies Vasakarana, the activity of magnetizing or enchanting, one of the 4 forms of enlightened activity in Tantric Buddhism. Invoked for her power to attract, influence, and bring beings, circumstances, and even the practitioner's own mind into harmony with the Dharma, Kurukulla is revered as a fully enlightened Dakini. She symbolizes the inseparability of bliss and emptiness, and her practices serve not merely as protective or worldly rites, but as profound methods for spiritual realization. Iconographically, Kurukulla is portrayed as a radiant red Dakini, adorned with flowers and bone ornaments, dancing in a dynamic posture. In 2, 4, 6, or 8 arm forms, she holds a bow and arrow made of flowers, a noose, and a goad, implements that represent her power to bind, enchant, and magnetize beings onto the path. A crown bearing the image of Amitabha affirms her place within the lotus family, while her red form, associated with magnetizing and the transformation of desire, is the most prevalent. Peaceful white emanations connected with healing and longevity are also found. Kurukulla, regarded as a form of the goddess Tara, who herself is an emanation of the bodhisattva of compassion, Avalokitesvara, embodies all-encompassing compassion, expressed through irresistible wisdom and the transformative power of attraction. Her presence in tantric cycles such as the Hevajra Tantra and the Sadhanamala reflects her early prominence in Indian Buddhist esotericism. The practice manual of Kurukulla, preserved in both Sanskrit and Tibetan, is the most comprehensive single text devoted to her, outlining a wide array of ritual methods including sadhanas, fire offerings, and medicinal or magical rites. These reveal a blend of apotropaic and liberative aims, protecting beings while drawing them closer to awakening. The historical origins of Kurukulla point to a synthesis of Buddhist and non-Buddhist tantric traditions. Scholars have suggested links to a mountain named Kurukulla in Gujarat, and noted resonances with Hindu goddesses such as Lalita of the Srividya tradition. However, while her iconography and functions may overlap with such figures, Kurukulla is not a simple adoption. Rather, she emerges as a distinctly Buddhist embodiment of magnetizing wisdom, shaped by a shared tantric culture but uniquely integrated into Buddhist ritual, cosmology, and soteriology. Kurukulla is thus revered as a complete meditational deity, a yidam, who channels the red, passionate force of enlightened activity. Her practice draws beings not through coercion or fear, but through the compelling radiance of wisdom and compassion. She stands as one of the clearest expressions of the tantric principle that desire itself, when skillfully understood and transformed, becomes a direct path to liberation.